First thing you're going to do is pull this blue washer out with your fingernail. On both sides. Then you're going to push this in, hold it, and pull out the tubes. Push it in, hold it, pull out the tubes. Then you're going to take this tube, push it in, you'll feel it stop, and then you can push it in a little farther. When it stops then, pull it out with your fingernail, put the blue washer back on. Done. Same thing with this. Feel it stop, then push it in further. You'll feel it stop, pull that out, put the blue washer on.